Holy shit, it's hair.
Yeah.
GoPro is dead lol.
It's on.
You could think he's blowing up a building.
Stop it, dude. You're fucking retarded, man. You guys gotta relax a little bit. I'm blind as a bat, so I don't know who's chatting. Just be reasonable with that. I don't mind being edgy or whatever, but it's like, to some extent, it's gotta be reasonable.
All right, Cash, for the Emperor, for the land of the rising China, nationalism, blood, honor.
Right.
Bro gotta do the friar look. It was me. So you couldn't find the clippers.
No, I have them. Oh my god, dude.
Full monk. Why not just go to a salon?
Because this is faster, easier.
He'll find clippers for the truffle shuffle. Or a barber.
This
Not
is
expensive.
faster, easier, faster. And I can't stream at those places. Or you can thank the salon. Well, if I...
Remind me never to buy groceries again. Shit just rots in my fridge. Faster, and content lol. Hide your female's chat.
How
Save
am I...
it so free.
How
Look
am I
at that
supposed to
peak
stream
Aryan
at...
Japanese body.
How am I supposed to stream at those
for your
places?
hair.
How am I supposed to stream at those places? Like, I have to make a reservation through my Amex concierge. And then, well, I'm gonna get a fucking reservation for...
IDK if it's faster and easier, but it's definitely better content and free.
How am I... How... So you want me to go and get a reservation for, like, tomorrow when I could just do this here?
True, but you could go on an off day.
Yeah, let me just do this up here. I think it's funnier. I can't mess with my kippa if I do it at a... Oh, this is better. Oh my god, dude. What is my hair made of? Unobtainium? Jeez Louise, man. Ow.
You need a kippa with flashing LED lights that shine the Star of David.
I have like 20 kippas that Peach brought me from, I think Hawaii she bought them. That's funny. Whoa! Ooh.
I'll pray you don't get ran over by a shawarma truck.
I wonder if I look more foreigner.
How do I fast forward? I wanna see the Clippers XD.
I have them right here. But I gotta get it somewhat shorter before I start going after with the clippers. Actually, I should probably do the clippers indoors. So we're gonna, yeah, because this...
Should I drink water?
This wind, I need water, fuck.
Isaki, that doesn't sound like a clipper, that sounds like a vibrator.
It's a, yes, it is.
I think you look more Gaijin-esque with shorter hair.
Gaijin-esque. Because there's not a lot of people that are willing to do a skinhead type of cut, right?
Already tall as fuck.
Dun, da, 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 da.
You look like Japanese Elvis now. I have a confession to make.
So-
I cut my own hair too usually.
It's just, I have Jew hair.
Shave your
It's
armpit hair as
convenient.
well.
Jesus, man.
Clip it, Lego, so excited.
You guys have a lot of asks, man. You should do this. You
Is
should
Jew
do
hair
that.
stronger hair?
Yeah. Ow.
Electric clippers do the job. I have those plastic things for doing the layers right.
Yeah, I probably have to use the clippers in the shower, or they're gonna get everywhere. I'll do it in the
At
tub.
Godzuki 99 it's richer. At song_and_wind.
How does it look like right now? Damn, there's
None
so
of
much
that poverty thinning goyim hair. Haircut is nice now. Give your armpit hair a good clip while you're at it. Just giving you love.
I don't smell too bad. But the cool thing about my hair is like no matter how long it is,
Don't
give
need
it a-
clippers for hair.
No, I'm gonna use the clippers indoors because this wind is gonna blow it all over the place if I do it up here. Okay, I think it's. You guys think it's ready for clippers?
Cutting armpit hair reduces bow. I would feel safer if you went for the clippers. 一気にすらないでまずちゃんと切るのね W.
そうそうそうそう。
I think haircut is done. I think it's ready. I don't trust you with the scissors.
Okay, part 2 will
At
be
Kyamikan_CH Ohio.
on the. Well,
Lot
we'll go
shorter
indoors to
already.
continue.